What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a blowout on my niece. But look, I had to see her hair, so I have no idea what her hair look like, because she wears like wigs and weaves and stuff like that. She gonna kill me because I'm making this video, but it is what it is. I have no idea what her hair looks like. So she said she's pulling up in about 2 minutes, and I just got my edge up. Oh, it's kind of cute. But anyway, she's pulling in a few minutes, and I'm going to be doing a blowout on her, and she probably needs a deep conditioning trim. She needs the works. So I'm gonna take y'all on the journey with me, and we're gonna get this popping. We're gonna get this done and did. So stay tuned.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay, y'all, I don't know what her hair look like.
You made it up.
Nope.
You got you on video.
Oh, I told y'all. Look at her hair. Y'all see it?
Oh. Shay, huh? What happened? I took my braids out last night. I didn't take it out.
She took her braids out last night, y'all. Okay.
Yeah, I bet you this was long hair on again. Look at all this hair. Look at Sierra's hair. She said, oh my God. She didn't take it out. And we do it. Oh, this feels so good.
That's why I put it on there. I'm trying to let it sit for a minute. Yeah, because it's when was the last time you got a trim?
I don't remember. The last time I got my hair done by you.
She's been shampooed, and as you can see, she's extremely tangled. So I'm going to be putting lots and lots of conditioner on there. So let's get started. Okay, so as you all can see, I am putting the conditioner all over her hair, and this is very important because I'm going to be detangling her, and you want this to be an easy process. You do not want to rush through this. You want to take your time, and you want that conditioner to go through each and every strand. So as you can see, I'm going through her hair. I'm making sure that that conditioner is all over the hair. Also, remember in the beginning, I told you that she had braids underneath that wig. So there's no telling how long she had those braids. And I also stress to my clients that when you are getting weaves and braids, you want to make sure that you do a deep conditioning before you get that weave and after you get that weave. Same thing for braids. And you want to make sure that when you're applying that conditioner that you're getting those ends really, really, really good. Okay, so now we are about to detangle. So I have to stress this to you all. Doing a detangling process, it should not hurt the client. As you can see right here, her hair is tangled here. So you take your time, and I wanted to make sure that I took my time pulling that hair apart. It's going to be some tangles. It's going to be some rough areas. So you want to make sure that you are taking your time doing this. You have to have patience when doing this. So you want to start from the ends and work your way up. The goal is for the comb to be able to go from the root to end straight through. You want it to slide right through. So that's the goal here. So you want to continue going, and keep going until that comb slides all the way through the hair. Now, as you can see, because I took my time, that comb is sliding right through the hair. And this is what you want. You want that comb to be able to go from the root to the end without hurting that client and without tearing the hair. So this is very, very important, and as you can see, it's sliding right through. I love it. I'm going to be doing this process all the way throughout the hair, and you have to remember to take your time. You have to be patient. If you're not patient, you will not get this result. Okay, so now I want to keep the hair detangled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this hair up in two, and I'm going to twist it as if I'm doing a 2-strand twist. So I'm going to be doing this all over the hair, and this is going to keep the hair detangled while she sits under the dryer for her deep conditioning treatment. So I'm going to be doing this all the way around the hair now, and I'll just let you watch.
Keep that scalp.
Okay, so she's been deep conditioned, and what I'm doing right now is I'm about to apply the S3 serum by Influence Hair Care, and this is going to protect her hair from the blow dry and from the flat iron. You may see me use this because you can use as much as you want. It's a light serum, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to clip her hair out of the way, and I'm going to start with the back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to untwist this first twist, and I'm going to blow dry this section first. Now, you see how my fingers slide right through the hair? This is what you are supposed to look for after a deep conditioning. So I'm pleased with it. I'm happy with it, and I could tell that her hair has been fully conditioned, and let's get started. Okay, now when blow drying, you still want to take your time because there is a chance you may run into some tangles. So make sure you take your time, because I did run into a few tangles. But other than that, the brush went through really well, and it turned out really, really great. Y'all, look at that. Look how the brush is sliding right through. You can tell that the hair is full of moisture. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so pleased with it. And as you can see, look at the flow of the hair. It already has a lot of body. So this is what you are supposed to look. I'm just excited. In case you all are interested and want to know what tools I'm using, the blow dryer is by Rusk. It's the Super Freak blow dryer. And then the paddle brush I got from Aveda. I have like 3 of those. If you are interested in those, I will make sure I put that in the description box. Y'all, I'm so excited. I love how her hair is turning out. Ooh, look at that. You can see the shine as I brush, and that looks so good. And like I said, this is what you are expecting after a deep conditioning, a great shampoo, a great deep conditioning. And like I said, make sure you use the S3 serum because you always want to protect that hair. But look how the hair is like just gliding through that brush. It's just perfect. Look at that. Very, very, very nice. Very smooth. Very nice. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry the rest of the hair, and I will see you guys when it is time to flat iron. Now, I'm brushing her hair all over and more towards the front and the back because I want her hair to have as much body as possible. So when she moves her head, I want that hair to move, honey. I want it to have as much body as possible. So yes, this is why I'm moving her hair all over around. And as you can see, I'm adding more S3 serum. And like I said, this serum, you can use it as much as you want. It is okay. It's not going to hurt the hair. Look at that. Kabooyah. Okay, so here we just decided to have a little fun with her little long hair, don't care. We wanted to bring it up and put it up into a ponytail and let her see how it looks in the mirror. So I'm just going to turn her around so she could take a quick look at it. And I think she likes it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
No, I don't want that either.
That'd be so cute. Yeah, oh man, she was folding things up. Okay, the flat irons that I'm going to be using is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. These flat irons go all the way up to 450. I purchased these from Cosmopro, and I'm going to be showing you the side. I'm going to be flat ironing hers on 410. And the reason why is because you want to be extremely careful with the heat, and her hair would do just fine on 410. So that's why I decided to do it on that temperature.
I want a hot dog, and I want deep fried Oreos. I want some lemonade.
So let's look at what 410 can do on her hair. So as you can see, the temperature 410, she doesn't need her hair to be on 450 because as you can see, it straightens really nicely. The comb goes right through it, and I'm going to do it again so you all can see one more time. So we're going to take it, we can go right through it, And there we go. Look how straight and nice that is. Comb goes right through it. Y'all, these flat irons are the bomb. You don't have to work too hard. I mean, I just go through her hair with one pass. As you can see, just one pass. And that is it. So I will go ahead and finish flat ironing the rest of her hair. And I will get back to you guys after I'm done. And we will get to see the finished product. Now, y'all, check this out. Look at this. Ooh, look how that just flows. Give me body. Nice. So when the hair is thick and full like this, you just want to make sure that you do it in small sections. If the hair is thin, you want to do it in thicker sections. So always remember that. Quick tip. So I am almost done, y'all. Her hair wore me out. You hear me? Wore me out. But it came out really nice. I'm pleased. I'm happy. And she was happy too. So here we go. So right now we are trying to get the part straight in the middle. I have the hardest time, y'all, with getting those parts right in the middle. But anyway, so we did manage to get it right. I mean, it just took me about a good 3-4 times. But that's all right. It ain't gonna hurt because we got it right and she was happy and I was happy. So now, y'all, I am about to trim her ends, which is very important. This is really one of the best times to do the trim because you can really see it when it's blown out and straight like this. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go around her perimeter, trim that, and then I'm going to go inside the hair to make sure that the ends are good and that she is good to go. And yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to cut about this much off on around the perimeter and work my way around, and then I'm going to go and do the inside. Kabooyah! Look at these results, y'all. It came out really nice. She's happy. She loves it. And y'all, she usually doesn't really wear her hair out like that, but she's taking a break between her wigs and her weaves. So she just wanted a quick blowout. But I hope you all like it. Yes, ma'am. Came out really, really nice. She was happy. She was pleased, of course. See her smiling. Okay, so she decided to wear her hair straight like this. She likes it straight. So she's going to go home, wrap it up, wear her silk scarf, make sure it's nice and clean. And yeah, just keep it nice and moisturized. And y'all, I didn't use a lot of product on her hair today. I just used the S3 serum and the S3 spray. And those are both lightweight oils. So, yeah. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching my video. Thank you for getting all the way through. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please just go ahead and subscribe now.